Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today as usual. Make sure, before you do anything else, destroy that like button below. Helps out the channel immensely. We got cryptocurrency on a slight uptrend. Everything is up a couple percentage points. I mean, I know it's not showing on CoinMarketCap, but over the last 24 hours, everything has, upticked slightly, as you can see with XRP here. Getting that little pump right there. Bitcoin, Ethereum doing the same thing. Ethereum sitting at a nice price for those GPU miners out there. Bitcoin in a decent sideways range. XRP trying to recapture that 40-cent zone. Guys, let's go ahead and get into the headlines for today. We got some pretty good stuff. Nothing amazing because, it is kind of a slower Saturday, but let's go ahead and check it out. This comes from the cryptobasic.com. In a week, more than 1 billion XRP have moved between wallets and cryptocurrency exchanges. Yesterday, nearly 600 million XRP tokens were transferred on multiple transactions, 224 million on the 3rd of August, and 172 million on the 2nd of August, and 224 million today. Guys, in 1 week, there's been over 1 billion XRP moved around on the XRP ledger. As we do know, Ripple ODL is moving forward like crazy. I know the XRP price isn't exactly where we want it, but we are definitely getting there. And I see Kim Kardashian and Pete Davidson split after 9 months and plenty of drama. Yeah, like you're telling me that wasn't a quick little celebrity relationship to kind of pump up both their social media pages for more money? That's probably what that is. Anyways, guys, I didn't even have that plan. That was just kind of sitting there. But XRP, guys, billion XRP moved. 1 billion XRP moved. Exactly 1% of all the supply moved in just 1 week. Okay, I know ODL is not like where we want it to be, but the Ripple XRP markets reports are showing it is growing exponentially every single quarter as well as year over year. To kind of tie in with the same one tweeted out by the same guy from AMDcrypto.com, a recent report suggests that Ripple is eyeing growth through CBDCs, and this might provide a favorable standing with governments. As we do know, guys, the CBDCs, we're trying to get CBDCs on the XRP ledger, billions of cross-border transactions per day running through XRP, leveraged by the CBDCs, essentially. Check out this one. Thinking Crypto, who literally was doing XRP YouTube even before I was. Check this out. So this guy interviews everybody. Something we really don't do on this channel. We just focus on news mainly. I interviewed John Deaton yesterday. We discussed the latest SEC Ripple XP lawsuit, him in emails, library, Coinbase, crypto regulations, Gary Gensler, and much more. Interview will be published tomorrow. Be sure you're subscribed. Make sure you guys do check that one out by John Deaton, our personal XRP community attorney. The guy is amazing, has done amazing work, has literally interjected into the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit. I'm loving it, man. I'm loving the legal legends of the XRP community. John Deaton, Jeremy Hogan, and James K. Fillin. Next one, guys. This comes from Patrick Young. This tweet not really blowing up. We're going to have to retweet that. This is kind of interesting. I always love these little things where it's like pictures of people's everyday lives where they just spot some sort of advertisement in front of a company, and we're kind of starting to think, hey, that smells like XRP. So check this out. We got SBI Canada Bank, and I think this guy's looking at Patrick Young take the picture right now. So not to confuse this with SBI Japan, not to confuse with that, there's a second SBI from India, which is called the State Bank of India, and they do have Ripple XRP connections. There was some sort of announcement where it's an official press release where SBI was, eyeing a rollout with XRP and Ripple. So check this out here. Let's get some ultra zoom. We got send money to India. And as we've known, what did we just see get released? The, Central Bank of India. I can't remember the official name of the bank, but it was the Central Bank of India. RBI? What was it? Oh, my God. I think it was RBI. I don't know what that, I forgot what that stands for, but it was the Republic Bank of India. Anyways, point being, like 2 weeks ago, it was the Central Bank of India coming out saying they were offering blockchain cross-border payments near instantaneous, using ledgers, and transactions couldn't be reversed. I had a whole article on the XRP Daily about that and why it incredibly did sound like XRP. Also, an investor of the one of the platforms did actually end up being the SBI Japan, which is quite interesting. Guys, make sure you go check out the latest on the xrpdaily.com. We just published 2 articles regarding the situation of the Ripple and XRP connections with the Central Bank of India. Nonetheless, you got this send money to India advertisement from Canada. So you're going from Canadian dollar to Indian rupee. Oh, a little too much zoom there. Zero fee. Zero fee. Guys, why would a bank be offering a zero fee payment to India? Do you think banks can afford at full scale to do free payments cross-border with the traditional system? I don't think so. Also, best Canadian dollar to Indian rupee rate. If we were to look at the trading view for, Canadian dollar, Indian rupee, I imagine, there's no liquidity, man. When the chart looks like a botched, ugly children's drawing, this means there is no liquidity, bro. Not that much liquidity. I mean, I'm not saying it's like, no liquidity, but for the 15-minute chart to look like this, you're not doing that much volume here. You're not doing that much volume. Now, again, it's saying best Canadian dollar to Indian rupee rate. How are they getting the best rate possible with a very low liquid corridor? Okay, because going through Canadian dollar, Indian rupee, you can see the spread right here. That's the highest offer, 61.361 rupees for the 1 Canadian dollar. And then the highest seller is 61.4. So you got like a 0.04 Indian rupee difference. Now, how is this bank able to get the best rate? Because do you know what has more liquidity than Canadian dollar to Indian rupee? XRP to Canadian dollar, and then XRP to Indian rupee. Let me prove my point here. XRP CAD, Kraken. Okay, maybe they're not using Kraken for the Canadian dollar liquidity. I'm trying to make my point here to show a highly liquid chart. That's not what I got. But you get the point. There's Canadian exchanges that deal with XRP, much more liquid than the Indian rupee to Canadian dollar chart. Check out Indian rupee to XRP right here. And, oh wait, no. Not showing up. But anyways, you guys get my point. There's much more liquidity in XRP to Canadian dollar and XRP to Indian rupee than Canadian to Indian rupee, just straight up raw, if that makes sense. All right. And here is actually the proof for the RBI we were talking about. SBI State Bank of India eyes Ripple rollout. National lender State Bank of India is reported to be considering a tie-up with cryptocurrency firm Ripple to power instant remittance payments into the country. And now they're offering zero fee money to India. This is fucking ODL from our own eyes on the streets of Canada. Absolutely amazing and proud to see this. This tweet needs to get more attention from Patrick Young because I love just the real world snapshots people post on Twitter and they're going like, hey, look at this advertisement. Look at this billboard. This freaking sounds like XRP. Okay, so we got the connection from 3 years ago, and we know now Ripple XRP ODL getting far more serious. And guess what's happening? SBI Canada Bank offering free fucking payments to India. I'm telling you, the XRP's in there. Okay, the fact that in the last 7 days, 1 billion XRP's been moved around the ledger. Okay, and in Q2 2022, Ripple buys up $1.7 billion of XRP, sells $400 million of that to ODL customers. We are clearly ramping up, moving in the right direction. However, we still got a long way to go in this marathon and a long way to go in the marathon of the price of XRP, even though it's like the worst chart to show you guys right now. Next one, users can now convert Ripple XRP to Mexican pesos for cross-border settlements. That's actually a fairly liquid corridor. US to Mexican peso, pretty liquid, but still much benefit to be used by XRP. Everest partners Bitso to facilitate cross-border settlement from Ripple XRP to Mexican pesos. That's a big one. That's a big corridor. And I believe there was some statement. Let me know in the comments down below, guys. But there was a statement that XRP ODL had a certain percentage of all the US to Mexico payments. I don't remember what that is, but please do let me know. Because I do know, like, Ripple's ODL, or what we know as XRapid, like, that we do have a market share of a significant percentage of the US to Mexico, border payments. Last one, guys. I don't want to bore you with this whole video, but Crypto Eddie's tweeting out, atrocious. Executive Director of Washington, D.C.-based Blockchain Association, serving as a liaison, I think that's how you say that, between policymakers in the cryptocurrency industry, should have a position on the Ripple case specifics and shouldn't find humor in Skybridge commentary. This is from 3 months ago. Moon Lambo chiming in saying how incredibly short-sighted the SC versus Ripple case is, the biggest in crypto history, and the Blockchain Association doesn't even have a position on it. Are they incapable of managing the implication for the rest of crypto in this precedent-setting case? Holy ideologies bias, Batman. John Deaton chimes in. What specifics of the case do you not have a position? The SEC is arguing, without legal precedent to back it up, that XRP itself is a security. It is specifically arguing that secondary market sales of XRP are securities. This implicates the entire market. It deserves a position. So, yeah, that's kind of weird that the Washington, D.C.-based Blockchain Association, which I do believe Ripple is a part of, as well as Coinbase. Let's go check this out real quick, just live on the spot. I'm quite sure Ripple is actually a part of this, because I know they were in the same association as Coinbase. Our team, no, it's going to be members. Let's see. I guarantee Ripple's a part of this. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I know Ripple's in here. Yeah, Ripple's right there. So Ripple is part of this goddamn association, and they don't even have the decency to have a fucking position on the biggest case in crypto history. It's ridiculous, guys. Make sure to smash like, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.